Now, what you can see here is that we got a few diagrams in the bottom. Okay, we have a couple of vertical parabolas, one opening up, one opening down. And then we have a couple of horizontal parabolas, which is new to us, right? So one's opening to the right, the other one's opening to the left. Now, the question now becomes, how do you tell the information correctly? So at this time, I would like you to write down a question. The question is this. What is squared? Ask yourself, what is squared? Now, over the past few weeks, we have only done one thing, right? What is squared for the past few weeks? It was the, think about all the graphs that you made last couple of weeks. What was the squared term? It was always the x. So if x is squared, then we know that it is vertical. Okay, if x is being squared, we know it's vertical because we have done it for a few weeks. Okay, so if y is being squared, then you know it must be horizontal. Okay, so that's why this question is very important. What is squared? Let's just take a quick glance at it. What is squared? And how do you know whether it opens left, right, up, or down? It all depends on the p-value. All right, if p is positive for vertical, it's opening up. If p is positive for horizontal, it's opening to the right, which is easy to understand, right? So up is positive, right is positive. If you are taking physics right now, you know that idea even better. And if p is negative for vertical, it's opening down. If it's horizontal, it's opening left. Again, very easy, very easy. Okay, but now, again, if you took the mental picture right here, the question was, what the heck is p? So this is where you find the p-value, okay? The p-value is here, okay? Now, how does it relate to what we did earlier? Well, if you remember, this is the vertex form, right? So y is equal to a times x minus h squared plus k. So the whole a value, it's now 1/4p, okay? But for today and tomorrow, we will kind of abandon the a value, okay? We'll abandon the a value, and we'll understand this completely throughout the perspective of p, okay? So I'm not going to speak too much. We'll go ahead and take a look at the actual questions, okay? Thank you.